In this tutorial, I will show you how to use TitledPane. Let's create a new project. Project structure, libraries, Java. We are going to add JavaFX library to this project. JavaFX SDK library. OK. Apply OK. Let's open fxml in SceneBuilder. So let's copy controller. I will replace grid pane with TitledPane. So TitledPane comes with anchor pane. Let me paste controller. So if you look at here, preview, titles can be open and closed. For example, let me have one button, one label, one text field, one text area. So the default behavior of TitledPane is you can open and close title. Let me change to TitledPane. Here collapsible is true, so you can turn it off. That option disappears, so you won't be able to open and close. So by default, open and close. That's the idea of using TitledPane. For simple demonstration, so I will just say LBL name. This is going to be just again name. I will just say prompt text as your name. TF name. OK. btn OK. Text area TA summary. So after you type name and click OK, your name will appear on text area. So we can add 3 more. Text field, TF name, then TA summary. Okay, let me have a look. Okay, I think I forget one thing. So, okay, here, event handler called handle btn OK. Add the handler methods. Let's change to private. Data field, by convention, we declare as a private. That means we need to add annotation for private data fields. Okay, so here T a summary. I will use append text, tf name, and then get text. I think that's all. Build. Add boolean options. Model paths to your JavaFX SDK library. Copy. Paste it. Add models. Controls. And fxml. Apply. OK. So we can just type the name. OK. You can open, close title. So if you go back here, you can add a title name as an employee, for example. That's how it looks like. Save it. So we have employee as a title. Jenny. Okay. That's all. Thank you.